Alright, so this is like the 4th sale. The sales were still small or setting up, so I couldn't really videotape them. PVC, that's interesting, because I need a lot of PVC. But that looks like either 1.5 or 2 inch, and I need 1 inch or 4 inch. Okay, there's an ice machine. That's actually a good thing. I wonder how much they're selling an ice machine for. There's an ice machine, man. That's interesting.
I thought this is a bread machine.
No, that's ice. This is a cool little thing here. I got too many of them. I can't buy it. I have to check out the ice machine. Now this is cool. Someone's building something. There's some shelves out of this. That little roller is kind of cool too. It's like a boat bumper, but it's made into a roller or something. Interesting. There's a bait bucket. It's cool. That bait buckets could also be used as chlorinator drop buckets for the pool. So the float buckets that float around. That's cool. It's some kind of bicycle mount, something. Cool. This is a nice outdoor bin. They put pillows in it. Nice. Anything for more for sale in the garage?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, this is interesting. Look, someone welded this onto a tire rim to make like an elevated workstation. Wow, smart. Here's an old ruler. This is interesting. This is some kind of, it looks like it's one of those in-wall What is this thing?
Jim.
It makes noise. What's this thing? Oh, well, it's one of those. Okay. Oh, wow. How much is it? Fine. Tempting. Let's go in the garage, see if we can catch anything. Interesting. I love your puppy.
Thank you.
I would give him sausage.
Not for sale.
I would give him sausage and ice cream. He's such a cutie.
Oh, he gets spoiled. Right?
Oh, he's spoiled. Oh, I love him. I love
He's
him.
already on overdrive because they gave us 6 weeks and now he's like at 6 months.
Why? What's wrong with him?
Cancer.
Dogs need to chew on bones. They need the calcium in bones to get rid of their cancer.
It was his spleen.
But have them gnaw on real bones.
Yeah.
Because that would help.
Also his teeth. Does he still have teeth? Yeah, he does. Oh, okay.
Are you selling anything on that side of the garage?
No.
Any Cobalt or Ryobi batteries, like 40-volt batteries for sale? Alright, so we have a little, I don't know what that is, but this would be a good toolbox shelf kind of structure. These wheels, but good idea.
And then they got
There's
the
a
old
tent
couple
here
just
too.
like us, and they're doing the same thing.
This tent's not folded up. You have this one, and then you have those two could be tents. That one's definitely a tent.
And yes, the one in the black is a tent just like this.
That long or just half of it?
Okay, it's this. It's from here to there. That's in the black.
There's a white one over there
There's
too.
a white one. And then the one in the box. We used it once.
Oh, look at this. Weed whacker string. Now, I wonder if you could use this to do 3D printing too. Look at this, a big one here. Interesting, it's all wet though.
We put it back in the box. We were going to send it back, but we never did. And so,
Ooh, I bumped my head.
she's the boss.
Oh, let's see what we got here. A lot of interesting things here. Oh, here's the chess piece with those chess pieces. Yeah. Yeah. VHS brings back memories. Disney Pinocchio. More Disney Toy Story. Crayons. A lot of Disney stuff. That's a dog pack, I think. Oh, I don't know about that one. The one next to it's a dog one. This is interesting. See some like lighting display, track lighting. Interesting. This is aquarium. This one is there. Any video game systems for sale?
Not the systems.
Okay.
I have no idea what that is.
These are kind of cool. These little cones. You can make this kind of obstacle course.
Yeah, it's the same as that.
Here's interesting. These are spotlights. And they're LED. This is interesting. Because mine are all bad. These are solar powered too. Very interesting. And it's wired. Wow. They're solar powered and they're wired? That sounds weird. Yeah, they're all solar powered, not wired. I wonder if they could be wired though. Alright, let's take a chance though. The tool is nice. It doesn't. It's no good. I'll think about it. Alright, we get down here some graduation. Congratulations. And you know, this guy should look bigger than from a distance, but when you get close, it's just a whole bunch of crap types of. Alright. See, these devices I like. You know, it's getting close to Christmas. There's a whole box of like pens that are autographed. It says streetdefense.com.
Oh my goodness. Come on, guys.
You got the puppies. What is this? This is interesting. Ooh, a drawer full of money. I like that. Let's see, there's more money. That's it's a medallion, it's not money, but actually it's like money. That's it, really. Alright, we got some tires. I'm looking for some tools, so I see some tools here. It's kind of rusty, but that's nice. A nice beginner's tool set. It's pretty comprehensive. You get some ratchets, you get an adjustable wrench, a couple pliers. That's a nice little one. I'm also looking for butane to fill up a butane torch I have. I'm almost out. Seashell. See how nice you can make a nice seashell lamp? Scissors. Not down. This is weird. Alright. Interesting. What's that? It's like a, I don't know what it is. Interesting. Oh, we got here. PlayStation 2. Interesting. Total Recall, that's a good movie.
Okay, thank you, man.
Okay, LG phone.
I didn't hear you. The fan was in my ear. I didn't hear you. I mean, you want some cell phone?
LED light. That's a good thing. I got tons of headlamps though. Nice gloves. I have some nice gloves. These are nice gloves too. But they look a little small. These are cool too. I always need these, but holding off right now. This is cool too. I like this. These knives are cool. There's a lot of cool stuff here. All these cell phones. The batteries in back are good. It says on Motorola. I need.
Look it up. I just don't want to chip it, and I don't want to clean it, but it works.
Indoor antenna. See, that's pretty cool too. Get jewelry. These like princess things. Pretty awesome. Little saw.
She's got the same points that I just took for the
Look at this
car.
thing.
I'll show you.
This thing is a cool tool, man.
Yeah. That's a very good tool if you lost something in the engine or something. And you
I know.
But you use the magnet. I could use that many times. Look at this.
I like it though. Or how much it is. How much are your tools?
Sterling silver rates are $10, except for the Indian jewelry or corn.
How much are your tools? Remember, ask the questions about coffee, tea.
Not yet.
Oh. This is interesting.
Very, yeah. We're on one, right?
I guess. How much is your
That's the guy to ask.
how much is your helmet?
15.
15?
World War I.
World War I? Did it was it in combat?
I don't know, ask him.
Were you in combat? And he didn't answer.
Soldiers is it might talk.
Wow. Any other types of military for sale? Okay. These are small.
See, I got these. I got these as the payment for my guitar, like
Wow.
$3 of it.
Can't get that at the pawn shop.
These are small. I don't know if you need them on. These are small.
What is that?
These are micro SDs, but this one's really small. Oh, sorry. This is a megabyte one. That's really small.
Some lady said she bought them.
Small, okay.
But maybe
64.
maybe 50 cents for them all.
64.
Who said they paid for them?
64 megabyte.
Nobody paid for them yet. You were the first one to ask.
This is interesting, man. You see this little coin thing?
So normally they should be at least a gig or what?
I would say a minimum 2 gig. If you're using it for like your
Camera.
dash cam, yeah, 2 gig would be the minimum. Do you have any more micro SD cards that are at least 2 gigabyte in size?
No, honey. We buy storage units, so whatever we have, we have.
How much are these?
These are 28, these are 30.
Oh, okay.
How much are these?
Honey! We don't tell you.
What's this?
Some kind of little motherboard. Don't really know.
Can I take a look at it?
Absolutely. He'll tell you, honey. I don't know.
Huh, interesting. On-air mixing.
So you're saying silver went up?
Yes. Silver closed at, I think he said $24.
I got 50 of them as a payment for a guitar.
Really? Oh.
And he, we went to a store and the guy said, well, he would buy it for 20 apiece.
Interesting.
$50,000.
Very interesting.
But I don't know what happened.
This store, everything around every corner is like interesting. Anything more in the garage and stuff? No.
Honey, how much for what gas this
And this is interesting. This is some kind of remote control for this. So this is a power something. Probably use it as a garage door opener. Look at that. Here's a sickle. You just need a hammer. You have a hammer and sickle. All right. All right. Oh, look at that. Washers. My God. If you need to rebuild stuff, and I don't need to make them anymore. This is weird. How much are your washers?
$10 for all 3 boxes.
There's 3 boxes? Oh,
That's
this is
really good, but you know, I mean, you're not in a position to store things.
I've been making my own. I know, it's terrible.
Yeah, I have a box of things, so, but I mean, it looks so tempting because it's so nicely
I know.
ordered. I mean,
I'm getting good at making them myself too. That's the sad thing.
yeah, how?
I
mean, these are like round.
I make it just like that. Mine are spline.
No way.
Yeah, mine are just as good as that. In fact, just as good, if not more powerful. And I fixed 4 of my pneumatic.
How do you make them so round?
I take the spline, I melt it, I burn it, and I squish it together, and I trim it off. It comes out really nice.
Look at that trilobite.
How much did you get your stuff for? 50 cents?
5.
5? Yeah, no, these aren't trilobites. These are horseshoe crabs.
Yeah.
They're not trilobites. Alright, so we got some tools. This is a nice one. In fact, I'm kind of tempted. I'll have to ask the guy. I like the way it can crush. The one I have is a little bit bigger though, but I'm curious. How much is your hand tools over here? How much is your whatever he's not listening. It's a CB radio. There's more cords, CB cords, and some old stuff, and shaver cords. Alright, more miscellaneous wires.
What are you asking about, the trimmers?
No, is it? Well, the hand tool, the clip.
$5 each.
$5 each. Okay, yeah. All right.
That's why I bought my boxers. So they were all in the box, but I didn't buy them.
How much are your watches?
$5 each, 3 for 10.
3 for 10. All right.
That $10.
All right. There's music playing here, so I'm not going to be able to.
It's good, no holes. I switched to rubber. I switched to a rubber hose.
All right.
I got a
See
bigger one.
Garmin GPS.
So I go further out the driveway.
Yeah.
When the wife is parked up here and I gotta run in.
All right. This is the second Bria bicycle I've seen today. This is amazing. This one's got a little rust though. Got rust here. See, somebody's putting some oil on it to prevent it from rusting more, but still. I hear Aerosmith playing, so I'm not going too far. There's a nice nailer. It looks like it's a decking nailer. I was going to say roofing, but no, it's decking. Wow. It's actually pretty cool. Ask her how much it is. Here he's got some boards. He's got some aluminum stuff here. Sandy toes. Salty kisses. That's pretty awesome. This is awesome, that aluminum. That's worth money. Alright, let's see. I need at least one of these. Look at all this PVC. I mean, this is amazing here. If I was doing sprinkler systems, shit, I would buy the whole box. This is amazingly nice. And I like how he has all these 2-inch caps. How much is your PVC? You selling everything or just selling individually? How much is your PVC?
PVC, the
Yeah.
whole thing, make me an offer.
Okay.
400.
Ik meen af, het is 900 over Google, weer hier.
I know.
Yeah, definitely is Aerosmith. I'm looking. Yeah, I'm coming. I don't want to get too close to the music because that's how it is. Wow. All right. This is interesting here. This little, looks like a pelican, but could be mistaken. All right. Here's a little. This is a good gold mining device, I'm telling you. This is a nice one. It's a nice big basket, and it gets those big ones that you're really concerned with. It's tempting. I'm really buying it. I'll hold my, I gotta contain myself. Yeah, look at these like old airplane, Lufthansa and Air France and United States. Look at that, P-41. All right. This is interesting. Nice little. Here's a military, old Vietnam style military flashlight. Got these toys. He's a collector too. License plates. Here's California. And you have a couple things there. A nice horse thing. That's it. Alright, so we have some Halloween. Halloween. And I always love these things. Like Charles Dickens' Christmas Village. Christmas is coming up, it's only about 4 months away. Got some masks, these are cool, $8 each. Always needing measure. George Foreman grill, you have a pressure cooker, toaster oven. I have a big raccoon, a real one in my yard. I don't need a fake one. Look at these watches here. This is kind of cool. 25 cents. What? What? I bought it for $25. It's not 25 cents, $25. I did not buy it. Hey, man. This says $25. Not 25 cents. $25 though. It's nice though.
I know.
How much are your rocks?
Arrowheads?
Arrowheads.
That's okay. These are Indian artifacts and these are arrowheads.
Oh, okay.
$1, 50 cents, $1. Bigger ones.
Interesting.
How much are the watches?
$10 each.
This is interesting. Is this a mood ring?
No, it's not. It's actually a green, what is it?
Green emerald?
Yeah.
Okay.
And that's sterling.
Sterling. It's like gold to me. It's probably 10 karat. This is a big pearl. Interesting. My brother's into rocks.
Oh, okay.
But unfortunately, I'm not. Yeah, he's not here. Darn it.
You're here and he's not.
I know. It's not the case. It's always the case.
Exactly.
Anything else hiding for sale? I'm looking for H&O or N-gauge railway trains.
Oh my God. I just sold
Oh, okay.
H&O trains.
I hear you. That's okay. It's usually a spur of the moment thing. I'm looking for anything in the kitchen, like packages of coffee or tea, chocolate, or any. So what else am I looking for? No, for starters, for that.
Coffee or tea.
I hear you. All right. That's interesting. Yeah. I like how everything is marked $25. I like that. This is interesting though. What is this? A tint bowl. Alright, I'm gonna ask you. What is this? This looks like an air filter. This is interesting. What is this device? It looked like a heater for a second, but then it also looked like a power filter.
Yeah, this one, right? Source thing up there. And...
Oh, you know what I'm looking for? I'm looking for any welding supplies, like wire welders.
How much are the cars?
She asked you how much the cars are.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Because I'm curious too. There's a Thomas the car set. Interesting. Interesting, man. How much were your cars?
Except for the half dollar.
Oh, okay. Any electric guitars for sale?
I have a little keyboard that you're having a
Keyboard? Like a little toy? Okay. Alright. What is this? Ooh, this looks interesting. This is a digital electronic ballast. Now this is something interesting, man. Look, it's got some kind of weird plug on the end of it.
This is
for indoor use only. It's an amp of something. Ballast.
very far.
Oh. It's got the adapter. Interesting. I mean, that would be good for a shortwave radio. It's more of projects. I don't need a shortwave project at the moment. Alright, so what else we got here? A lot of games, a lot of books, games, toys. That's it, really. And then there's this little stair stepper. Everything's kind of priced a little bit, though. That's it. Alright, recap. So today, I only spent $5. I bought this battery. They had $10 on it. I got it for $5. It's a 5 amp per hour, and it's a Ryobi compatible battery. So there was really nothing going on today. In fact, I could have skipped today. I videotaped a whole bunch of sales, but a lot of the prices were just pricey. They really didn't have anything of interest. So anyway, I'm gonna put my bicycle in the back of the car, go down to the beach, do some beach bike riding, and hopefully better luck next weekend.